Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine at home. Today we are going to learn lesson 20, part 3. Today we are going to learn lesson 20, the conjunction. Part 3, page number 87. In this page, we can see exercise B is given. And in this page we have to do only the exercise. There are 10 numbers. All these 10 sentences we have to write. And children, here below some lines are given. Can you see? Here some lines are given and the questions are given here on top, the sentences. So we have to write the answers on these lines. One line for one answer. Okay. So you will put the numbers here. Here in the sideways you will put the number and then you will write the sentence. You can take a scale and draw the line till there. Okay. Till that page, last page. Okay. Till there you can draw the line. And then also if you don't get the page to complete, then you write here in between these two lines you write in small letters. Okay. Here in this page when you write, make your writing little small. Otherwise if you write very big letters, then it may not come there. In the copy also I will give these answers, but not all. Then it will be too much for you to write in the copy. So in the copy I will give 2-3 sentences. But in the book we will write all the answers. Clear, children? So we will start now. First you read the question. All of you please take your English 1 book, page number 87. Yes. Connect and write the sentences together by using appropriate conjunctions. We will read once more. Connect and write the sentences together by using appropriate conjunctions. You have to connect it. You have to join these sentences. In every line, two sentences are given. You have to connect it. You have to join it. Sentences together. With what you will join? By using appropriate conjunctions. Appropriate conjunctions means suitable conjunctions. The matching conjunctions. The word which will match there. But it should be conjunction word. Okay. So this much you understood? You have to join 2 sentences together by adding the conjunction word. Clear? We will write now. Okay, so you will understand better. Read number 1. Manoj failed in the examination. Why he failed? He was a lazy boy. Manoj failed in the examination. He was a lazy boy. So how will you write? How will you join it? I have written, children, on the board. Manoj failed in the examination because he was a lazy boy. Why Manoj failed? Because he was a lazy boy. Understood? So this line you have to write here where the lines are given. Here you will write. Children, you understood? Here you put number 1 and write the answer here. Clear? Now read number 2. Sajida missed the bus. She ran very fast. What you will write the answer? Sajida missed the bus although she ran very fast. What is the answer? Sajida missed the bus although. Here you will remove the full stop from here and you will write the conjunction. And then next sentence you will start with the small letter. The next sentence you have to start with small letter, no capital letter in between. Clear? Now capital letter in between. Sarita missed the bus although she ran very fast. Number 3. We shall be late. We must leave early. If we don't go early, we will be late. That is the meaning. So how will you write? We shall be late, so we must leave early. We shall be late, so we must leave early. Now, number 4. This is the toy. I want to buy it. Somebody is showing one toy and saying, this is the toy, I want to buy it. So how will you write? This is the toy that I want to buy it. I will write on the board, I will rub the board and I will write the answers. Yes children, I have written the 4th answer on the board. What is the question? This is the toy, I want to buy it. And how will you join the sentence? This is the toy that I want to buy it. So the conjunction word is that. Okay? This is the toy that I want to buy it. Full stop. Next one, number 5. They played very well. They lost the match. How will you join it? They played very well, yet they lost the match. They played very well, yet they lost the match. Children, when you are writing, see the spellings also, don't make spelling mistake. Okay. Now read number 6. She stood first in the examination. She worked hard. How she stood first in the examination? Because she worked hard. So how will you write? She stood first in the examination because she worked hard. She stood first in the examination because she worked hard. From here you will remove the full stop. You have to remove the full stop. Then you will write because. Then you will write the next sentence. You will start with small letter. You will start with small letter. Okay. Now we are going to read number 7. The patient had died. The doctor came. The patient had died before the doctor came. Before doctor reached, the patient died. That is the meaning. Okay. So how will you write? The patient had died before the doctor came. The patient had died before the doctor came. So here the conjunction is before. Here we have to see the conjunction before. B-E-F-O-R-E. So when you are writing the conjunctions, see that the full stop should be removed from the middle. And you will continue with the small letters only. No capital letter in between. Only first letter of the sentence will be capital. Okay. Now we are going to read number 8. Stay in this hotel. I will return. What's the meaning? Stay in this hotel. I will return. Somebody is saying to someone, stay in this hotel. I will return. Till I return, you have to be here only. I will come till that time, you have to be here. So, which conjunction you will use there? Till. So, that I will write on the board. Okay, I will rub the board and I will write. Have you all written this? Children, have you all written? This you have to write in your book. Copy work, study material, I will send to you through WhatsApp or in the site. Okay. So from there you can write in your English 1 copy. So now we are going to write 8, 9 and 10. Yes children, we are going to read number 8. Stay in this hotel, I will return. When you are writing the answer, after I, you remove that future tense. Stay Stay in this hotel till I return. Till I will return, not till I return. There is no word here will. Okay, that will we have to change. Stay in this hotel till I return. Like that only we speak. Okay, till I will return, no, that is wrong. Till I return. Okay, clear? Next one. I study English. I study mathematics. I study English and I study mathematics. Both these subjects I study. So how will you write? I study English and I study mathematics. In higher class when you will reach, you have to do some more changes here in the sentences. But now you are in class 2, so you learn like this only. Okay. I study English and I study mathematics. Clear? Next one, number 10 and last one. Hurry up, you will miss the train. Hurry up, you will miss the train. That means do fast, otherwise you will miss the train. Come fast, run fast, that is the meaning. So children, after hurry up, there is an exclamation mark. That exclamation mark you remove. There should not be any exclamation mark when you are joining the sentence. Okay. So how you will write? Hurry up. And there is no exclamation mark here in the answer. Hurry up or you will miss the train. Hurry up or you will miss the train. So this much only in this exercise. In this page, only this much we have to do. And we have one more exercise in exercise C, that is page number 88. 87 we have completed today, and now we are going to do page number 88. And it's very easy exercise, we can do it. I will rub the board and we will do just now. Okay? Yes children? Please read the question, exercise C, page number 88. Complete each sentence with the correct conjunction. In the bracket there are two conjunctions given, two conjunction word is given there. From that you have to select and write. Okay? Number 1. My grandma makes tasty food dash tasty snacks. My grandma makes tasty food and tasty snacks. My grandma makes tasty food and tasty snacks. So what you will fill there? And. Children, what you have to write there? And. Here the place is given. Here you will write and. Okay. Here you have to write and. Next one, number 2. Her writing is good dash. Her spellings are weak. What's the meaning of that? Her writing is good. She writes very neatly, very beautiful handwriting. But her spellings are weak. But she makes so many spelling mistakes. So what you will have to write there? But. So number 2, the answer is but. Number 3, Tom dash Dick are playing on the beach. How will you write there? With which conjunction you have to fill there? Tom and Dick are playing on beach. Two boys' names, one is Tom, one is Dick. So what you have to write? Tom and Dick. Okay, and. Last one, number 4. Alice fell down dash. She did not get hurt. Alice fell down, but she did not get any hurt. She did not get any injury. Okay, that is the meaning. Alice fell down, but she did not get any hurt. So today this much only, and we have completed lesson 20. Tomorrow we will learn lesson 21. Children, please understand this lesson and complete all the book work, and then what you get? Study material that you write in your English 1 copy. Okay? So thank you.